Moving was always a nightmare for me, but when fate led me to inherit my grandfather's old farm, it was both a blessing and a challenge. The farmhouse stood as a relic of the past, its timbers weathered by time and memories etched into every corner. However, it was beyond repair, and with a heavy heart, I made the difficult decision to have it demolished. As the dust settled and the echoes of the wrecking ball faded, I stood amidst the rubble, contemplating the future. With determination, I embarked on a journey to build a new home that would honor the legacy of the old while embracing the possibilities of the new. But a twist to my vision left many bewildered. You see, my previous abode had been a marvel of technology. Each room was equipped with cameras. Whenever someone entered, they left a chaotic mess behind. But pride would not allow me to succumb to disorder. Instead, I employed a team of robots meticulously engineered to restore order with unwavering efficiency. From Boston Dynamics, I acquired 7 state-of-the-art sport bots and 4 relics from their discontinued first generation. Through ingenious reprogramming, I bestowed upon them the ability to be controlled by clones of Haven Pride, an advanced AI system. These clones, imbued with the essence of order, would oversee the cleaning process meticulously. Alas, my spouse was not as inclined towards cleanliness as I was. But with the new house on the horizon, I saw an opportunity for a fresh start. Builders toiled tirelessly, shaping the blueprint of our future abode, while I prepared to instill order again. The promise of a pristine sanctuary beckoned, and I was determined to seize it. The new house, with its 2 basements and 4 bedrooms across 2 floors, was a testament to modernity. Yet, its true marvel lay within the intricate choreography of the bots, guided by the algorithmic prowess of Haven Pride. With each room meticulously cleaned to perfection, the legacy of order endured. But beyond domesticity, there lies another dimension to Haven Pride's legacy. The intricate web of crypto mining generated wealth beyond measure, securing our future and ensuring prosperity for generations to come. As I stood in the gleaming halls of our new home, I couldn't help but feel grateful for the legacy that had been bestowed upon me. In its embrace, I found solace, knowing that no matter where life may lead, Haven Pride's legacy would endure.